Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Z League. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Z League application and make sure to sign into your account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the home page. Now, if you would like to withdraw your balance, you need to have an active account. So make sure you have an active account and also have some balance. After that, tap on your profile icon at top right corner. A menu will slide up from the bottom. Now, go to your settings option by clicking on the gear icon. Inside settings, your wallet balance will be displayed at the top. Next to the balance, you will see a cash out option. So, you just need to click this cash out option and follow the instructions. Note that it will only be available if you have an active account and an active and sufficient balance to cash out. Since I don't have that, I don't have my cash out option here. So, all you have to do is simply click on the cash out option, and it will prompt you to verify your withdrawal. You just need to verify it, follow on-screen prompts, and complete the withdrawal. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Z League. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.